Come test drive the 2009 Miata. This front-engine, two-seat, rear-wheel drive, lightweight roadster from Mazda was introduced as a modern version of the 1960s roadsters from Italy and Britain. Although filled with modern amenities and safety equipment, the Miata is a great two-seater for cruising around town or on a fun road trip, just like its overseas counterparts, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.